Namaste, I am Dr. Rashmi K. I am a senior homeopathic consultant at Raghav's Homeopathy Multi-Speciality Clinic. I am having around 18 years of homeopathic medical practice experience. I have worked amongst various corporate homeopathic clinics all over India. We are having around 3 branches. One is at Bannerghatta Road and the second one is at BTM Layout and the third branch is at Marathahalli. Allergy is an abnormal response to any of the stimulus. So whenever we are exposed to some dust or whenever we are exposed to some pollen, in skin we get an allergy is called as urticarial rashes, where there will be a red thickening of the skin along with itching. Whereas in respiratory system, whenever we are exposed to dust or pollen or something else, we start sneezing. Sneezing continuously one after another for about 15 to 20 sneezes at a time, followed by running nose, itching and irritation in the eyes, nose and throat. Sometimes it may lead up into the chronic cough also. So this is an abnormal response to any of the stimulus. If these symptoms continuously prevail, then we call this condition as an allergic rhinitis. If you neglect allergic rhinitis, or if you take some anti-allergens and if you suppress it, or if you are temporarily feeling better, then allergic rhinitis will lead into chronic sinusitis, chronic tonsillitis, bronchitis or allergic bronchial asthma. Asthma is difficulty in the breathing with oppression or congestion of the chest or heaviness of the chest. Usually asthma runs in family. If the parents or the grandparents is suffering from asthma, then the next generation will definitely suffer with either allergic skin or allergic bronchitis or allergic bronchial asthma. So definitely heredity plays a very major role. Whereas once asthma comes, then the patient has to depend on nebulizers or inhalers so that they can feel temporarily better. But when you take treatment with constitutional homeopathy medicines, the allergic tendency of your body will slowly and gradually come down so that the resistance increases and your immunity also increases. And also, if at all you are suffering from asthma and you are already taking the inhalers, once you take homeopathy medicines, the dependency on the inhalers will slowly and gradually come down, and thus your lung capacity will increase, your allergy will come down, your immunity will be boosted up, so that you can get cured both for an allergy and asthma through homeopathy medicines. In children, there is a condition called as atopy. So in case of atopic children, we see that whenever the child is having allergic issues, there will be no skin issues at all. Whereas whenever there is an dermatitis or whenever during the folds of the skin, they get itching, irritation, the lung complaint or the allergic complaints will slowly subside. This condition is called as atopy. And also whenever there is an asthmatic symptoms in children, the child cannot play. The child lungs is always filled with the mucus. So whenever the baby is sleeping, we can see the rattling sound in the chest. And also the baby whenever is sleeping, due to the cough, it omits all the food. So these are all few of the conditions or the few of the symptoms what we usually see in asthma. So even the child who is suffering from asthma or the elderly person who is suffering from asthma can take homeopathy treatment so that they can feel symptomatically relief. Also, they can get completely cured with homeopathic treatment.